My job as a principal engineer at Kineticorp, primarily I reconstruct car accidents. I document physical evidence, I inspect vehicles and accident scenes, and then work with that physical evidence to figure out how fast vehicles were going or how an accident happened generally or specifically. For our work, I'm used to being on the road 3 different trips a month where I'm getting on an airplane and going out of state, and that's really come to a complete halt. We've been forced to be creative with how we reconstruct accidents and gather evidence, and the idea started to form in my mind that I could basically go out and do the kind of trip that I typically do in the mountains. We're just going to shift that into a work purpose where we do that same thing. I had 4 different cases that just happened to come up that were all close together in New Mexico. I had a van that was just sitting there in my driveway, and this idea started to come together. Like, I really think I can do this, and I can do this safely. You can see we're getting all packed up here. Originally, this van was built for adventure in mind, but we have repurposed things to take Kineticorp on the road for COVID situation. My goal was essentially to enter the state of New Mexico and quarantine for the 3 days I was there. And by that I mean without any contact with anybody and be within my vehicle. The precautions I took were first to bring all my food. This van has a portable bathroom in it, so I didn't have to worry about that. With the accident scenes, it was easy. You just show up and do your work.
Day 3, early morning here in Albuquerque. Just out on an overpass and scanning the roadway down below.
I guess the big takeaway from this whole adventure that I went on was that there are creative ways to kind of keep things going. And I mean, although I would never have done this trip had it not been for the pandemic that we're currently in, it wasn't bad, and it got us where we needed to get. And I'm just glad that we were able to pull it off successfully, and yeah, I look forward to the next one.